If you're like me, you got batteries scattered across your property, whether it be a dump trailer, an old ATV, or other tools and equipment. And I've been looking for a solution to keep those batteries topped off without dragging extension cords around or having to fire up a generator or move something closer to an outlet. And today we're trying out a solar solution that promises to keep those batteries topped off. This is a solar powered battery maintainer and trickle charger made by a company called MHPOWOS. This is their 30-watt model. They have a few different models, but I wanted one that was big enough to charge things fairly fast so that I could move it around to different batteries on the property. It comes with suction cups to mount it to the glass, as well as some carabiners, so you have some other mounting options. And it comes with different leads so that you have different ways of connecting it to the batteries. Today, we're going to be hooking this up to this dump trailer that sits weeks, sometimes months before it gets used. And hopefully this little maintainer will keep that battery topped off so this trailer is ready to use when we need it. It comes with this fixed mount lead, and this is what we'll be using on the dump trailer because we're going to be topping it off quite often and maybe even leaving the solar panel on it when it's not being used on other batteries around the property. But we'll use the fixed mount so it's easy to connect and easy to keep this battery maintained. We've got those leads connected, so let's get this thing plugged in and see what happens. One of the things I've noticed on this is it's got a really long cord, which will be nice for other applications. We got it all hooked up, and it's got these nice charge indicator lights that are on here that shows that it's charging, that it's in the sun, and there'll be a green light that comes on when it shows that it's fully charged. I've got these little magnetic hooks that I'm going to hook the solar panel to. This did not come with it, but I don't want this blowing away, and it just seemed like the easiest solution. Here's a couple of the other connectors that this comes with. These are the alligator clips. This will be nice. I have a battery that I use for a backup for my solar water pump, and this will connect nicely to that. And then we have a cigarette lighter adapter. So if you're using this to charge a vehicle, you can plug that right into the cigarette lighter, and you should be able to rock and roll. Put some suction cups on that solar panel, stick it to your windshield, and keep your vehicle battery topped off. If you're looking for a simple, off-grid friendly solution to keep your batteries topped off with no cords and no outlets and no fuss, this might be worth taking a look, and I'll leave a link to it down in the description below if you want to check it out. And tell me down in the comments, if you had a solar powered charger like this, what would you use it for? I hope you found this video helpful and found a solution for your problems. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.